Hello everybody, what is going on today? Buddy Blackford here, and today we're going to go over how to use the selective color adjustment. And what that is when you're in CMYK color mode, it gives you the ability to add or subtract specific amounts of cyan, magenta, yellow, and black inks. And you can go through your different colors you have and take out or add those kind of inks. Now it's good for when you're collaborating with like your printer that you're going to be using, and you can adjust the amount of like the different inks in the Photoshop image so that your printer works correct, so it shows up well on your printer, and it's basically a tool that interacts with your printer pretty much. So first thing we want to do is pull up your image and then go to mode, and you want to make sure you're in CMYK color. If you're going to be printing stuff, you should already be in CMYK color. The next thing we're going to do is go to image, and then we're going to go to adjustments, and we're going to come down here. We're going to go to selective color. Select that, and you see we have the ability to pick our different colors here. We've our RGB and CMYK colors along with whites and neutrals. Now we're able to add these in with, or add a certain amount of percent to these if we would like. And if I hold down Alt, I can click on reset here. Now I can add in more magenta to the sky if I want to make it one of those cool looking skies. A certain type of the day, you can add like more yellow to the reds and stuff like that. So that's what it does. We can come down to our blacks. We can make them. We can make our blacks darker, add more blacks, or we can dull them out. So pretty much up to you what you want to do here. We've got our method down here. We've got absolute, which changes the colors using a value of 1 to 100%. And then we have relative here, which changes on the percentage of the color's total ink. So if I select relative, you're not going to see as much of an adjustment when I'm moving stuff around. You can see that these skies are turning different colors, but not as much as if I use the absolute. So if I change to absolute, you can see that there's more. And that depends on your image. Go to reset, same thing with the blacks here. This is at relative 100%, this is at absolute 100%. So you can see that type of change. So keep that in mind. It's up to you what you want to use. We've got our presets, and there are no presets that come in the box with selective color. So if you wanted to go through and take out like 25% magenta out of every single one of these and then save it as a preset, you could. So you go to this little button here, and once you get done setting everything, you hit save preset, and then it'll save it within here. So if I just move back, save preset, magenta, make sure it's in your selective color folder, and now you can see there is my preset down here, which will move my magenta back 15%. So that's all I wanted to go over with the selective color adjustment, and not a whole lot to go over with it. Remember, you use it for adding and subtracting certain amounts of CMYK, and in relative to like what your printer at home or at the studio or wherever you're gonna use your printer uses. So if you don't know what to use, you can always call up the printing company or send them an email, and they can give you some specifications on things to help, so you can get this information from them. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Be sure to check out buckysroom.org for some more tutorials on Photoshop and a whole bunch of other stuff. We got programming tutorials, we've got After Effects tutorials, and we've just got some funny videos in there as well. So if you want to waste some time, head over to there. So see you guys later. Have a good one.